Good morning, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, your boy is in a dire need of a haircut. So before we even start the video, let's get that addressed. So I made a video about using cex.io to buy cryptocurrencies, and some of you are having trouble using your card, whether it be NCB, Scotiabank, or any method that you use. So in this video, let's buy some cryptocurrencies. I went all out for this video to open an NCB account just to get their Visa debit card so that I can purchase some cryptocurrencies live on this platform for you guys. So my name is Demetress Fairman, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to all the future millionaires. And for those who are new to this channel, that's what we all want to be. We want to be future millionaires. So on this channel, we talk about real estate, we talk about stock market investing, and we also talk about cryptocurrencies. And today's video is going to be about purchasing cryptocurrencies on the three platforms that I currently use. And they are cex.io, Coinbase, and Kraken. And yes, you heard me right. Coinbase can be used in Jamaica. And to save time in this video, I won't go through the setup process of each of these platforms because they're basically the same. If you want to see the setup process, then you can watch my cex.io video where I go through all the steps in setting up the account. But to cut the long story short, all you're going to need is your proof of address. So whether a utility bill, a cable bill, an internet bill, a water bill, a light bill, just any bill, once it has your proof of address. Then you're going to either need your driver's license, your national ID, or your passport for proof of identification. Also, you're going to need a good lighting source, preferably do this in the daytime so that you can take a picture of yourself and your documents to upload to these platforms. And the reason they need all of this is because that's their KYC policy, and KYC stands for Know Your Customer. All of these platforms use that protocol. So make sure you have all your identification in check, and that is all you're going to need to open these accounts, nothing hard. So let's get into the meat of the matter by purchasing some cryptocurrency from cex.io. And if you guys want to sign up to cex.io, the link is down in the description. And when you sign up, you might get a little sign-on bonus from them. So why not get some free cryptocurrencies? So as we open the platform for cex.io, we want to buy some cryptocurrencies, but we're not going to click the buy now option, and we're not going to click the spend $500 option because these prices are quoted in US dollars. We're going to scroll over to the right, which it tells you to put in the amount of US dollars you want to spend. On cex.io, it looks like $50 is the smallest amount that you can purchase on this platform. A little over budget, but I'll do anything for my subscribers. So when we put in that 50 US dollars, that equates to 0.00120303 Bitcoin. And once we select buy now, then we're at another section of this page where it asks us to put in the card or the payment method that we want to use. We're going to select add a new card. So all we have to do right now is just enter our card credentials and it should go through. And successful, your card has been linked. Now you can use it to make deposit withdrawals and buy crypto just in a few clicks. Now we just click next. Then we just scroll over to the card and just do a review on the page to see that this is what we want to purchase. So we want to purchase $50 worth of Bitcoin. They're going to charge us $1.55 for processing this transaction. Click on the card, toggle that box that says I agree with the terms and services, and press proceed. So unfortunately, the CEX purchase was declined. And usually this happens when NCB, basically the card holder, decides to stop a transaction because they think it's some unscrupulous act.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So when I ask some of my friends and people who've used this system or use NCB to purchase crypto, they always say that it's best to call the bank and tell them what you're doing for them to verify your transaction. However, since it's a weekend and I'm not sure that I will get through to them, Jamaica, I didn't call them and I tried another method. So instead of buying the crypto straight from the platform, I opted to deposit money onto the platform. So when I did that with around $20, it accepted the deposit and I was able to upload $20 onto the platform. Now that you have an actual USD balance on the platform, you can use it to buy your cryptocurrencies, proving that CEX.io can work in Jamaica. Just that most of the times, if you have a problem, you need to call the bank to let them sort it out, or just keep on trying, trying your luck. So the next app that we're going to use is called Coinbase. And yes, Coinbase has given some trouble in Jamaica in the past, and it was only used as a means of a wallet. The only catch is that you cannot withdraw from Coinbase as yet. So if you buy any cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you'd have to transfer them to either Kraken or you'd have to transfer them to CEX.io in order to withdraw. But for people who just want to use a platform that is mainstream and maybe one that they can trust, then you can use Coinbase. So once you open the Coinbase platform, we'll just go to buy. So let's change it up a little bit. Let's buy one of the cryptocurrencies that I talk about, which is Avalanche. And currently Avalanche is at $79.27. So as you can see, once you're in Jamaica and you set up Coinbase, you can purchase in JMMB. So you don't have to do any conversion or any quoting in USD. So let's buy something small. Let us see if we can buy $1,000 worth of AVAX. And we only want this purchase to be a one-time purchase. We don't want to be a recurring purchase. I had a previous NCB card added to this system, so we'll just click that same dialog box that says Visa, add payment method. We'll select credit and debit card, and once that section comes up, all we have to do is just put in the name on the card, put in the card number, the CVV code, the expiration date, and we should be good to go. And yes, we don't really have postal codes in Jamaica, so for any section that asks for postal code, I always just put 50 and it never fails. And just like that, the NCB card is added to Coinbase. So now that our card is added to the system, we just review our order and then press preview buy. So this is our order preview page. We're going to spend $970.97 and the Coinbase fee is $29.03 Jamaican, a total of $1,000. We press buy now. And just like that, we have AVAX in our Coinbase wallet. Next up on this list, we're going to try and use Kraken. So once Kraken opens, we're just going to click the arrows, two arrows that go in opposite of each other. Then once it comes up, we're going to select buy. So for this one, let's buy some Ethereum. Why not? So let's buy $10 of Ethereum. And for the pay with section, we're going to select card and just enter our card information. So our card was added to the Kraken system. However, let's see if we can actually use it to make a purchase. One downside with the Kraken platform is that it converts all your purchases to euro. So be mindful of that. So after we reviewed our purchase, we're going to swipe to continue. So let's see if it goes through. And just like that, the NCB card was successful in buying Ethereum from Kraken.
Nice.
So now that you are in the know, you know how to get your cryptocurrencies. Which one of these platforms will you use? Will you go for CEX? Would you go for Coinbase? Would you go for Kraken? And if you want to sign up for any of these cryptocurrency platforms, then you can just look in the description of this video for the links to sign up to these platforms. Who knows, when you sign up to these platforms, you might receive some free cryptocurrencies in your wallet just by signing up. But I wish I could stay longer, but as you can see, I am on my way driving to that JOB, from one hustle to the next. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and until next time, we'll be back with more investing tips. This is Demetress Fairman, and happy investing.